Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start writing on Medium. Medium is a text-based platform where it helps you write essays and general projects for schoolwork or upcoming assignments. To begin, we're going to write Medium, writing, and as you can see, once we let this one load up, you can see medium.com, create a blog, and start writing for free. So once we open up this website, this is the main house and page of Medium. Publish, grow, and earn all in one place. So generally Medium, once again, is used for writing. As you can see, some people who've used it are Barack Obama, Camille Fournier, Devon Prince, Susan Orland, Carwell Wallace, Michael Chabon, and many more people. To begin, we're going to press on start writing right here, and it should bring us to this page where we're going to have to sign in. You have multiple options to sign in with, including Google, Facebook, Apple, Twitter, and email. If you don't have this is for signing in. However, if you don't have an account, which we don't, we're going to press on create an account. From here, you can sign up using Google, Facebook, and email. We're going to be signing up with Google for this video. From there, I'm going to be pressing on my account, and we have successfully logged in. So now it's for our full name and our email, and we're going to be creating our account. From here, as you can see, we're already here. So select test, change formatting, add headers or create links. Add images and other media by starting a new line. Include contact from Medium or other sites by pasting a link and pressing enter. You can mention anyone. And there we go. So for our title, it's going to be testimony of life. I'm not sure if that even makes sense. So as you can see, here's title. We can press on here. We can add an image from Unsplash, add video, add an embed, add a new code block, and add a new part. Alright, this is my testimony. My life has been a very profound experience, full of ups, downs, and interesting years. However, I feel like I'm proud in the point where I have reached. And so as you can see, we wrote this. We can press enter, and here is our next line. Alongside that, it gives you multiple spelling mistakes, just like Grammarly, to fix. So as you can see, it is basically making it way more better than it already is. So now it has become, my life has been a very profound experience, full of ups, downs, and interesting years. However, I feel proud of the point I have reached. Next up, we press on the next line. We can add an image. Let's add this Earth image right here. Such a small world full of amazing opportunities. And as you can see, I wrote this wrong. So small world, we can write here. And here we can make this bold, italic, change the sizing, quote it, and we can add a link www.youtube.com. So now when this is pressed, bring down this link where it'll open YouTube. So that is the main stuff. From here you can add more stuff such as hello. So let's put this. We can right click and we can write a note. So this is private notes based on hello, base, word, and send. So from here, as you can see, we have the three dots up here. Here we can add the publication, share draft link, share to Twitter, manage and list it, change featured image, change display, see topics, see revision, more settings, hits and keyboards, etc. That's not important. I'll show you the basics on how to write. I'm going to show you how to publish this. We're going to press on the publish button right up here. We're going to add a topic, testimony of life, test, essay, blog, etc. And this is kind of what it looks like. Publish now or schedule for later. So we can press on publish now. Publishing story. And it's been officially published. This is what it looks like. So there you have it. That is how to use medium.com to start writing. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.